So we're all filed. Oh my god, that app. Do you know what? I'm in love with the colour combo.
Great combo, isn't it?
Beautiful combination. So we're going to put some jewels on, and we're going to use also the micro beads. So we've got these two colours in the micro beads, and we're actually going to use those as well. We're going to mix them. Right, in the lid, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some of those in. Some of them. Oh, I like that. Oh, look at that. Oh my god, why have I never done this before? Right, we're going to use some of the Acrogel. So this is It's Clear Dear. It's my go-to product to put, you know, large stones on. We'll need about that much. We will need a dampened dish with gel residue wipe off solution in. We need that so we can damp our brush like this. And we can move the Acrogel around to where we want it so we can put some stones on. Right, what I'm going to do now is going to apply the Urban Graffiti top coat directly over the top of the Acrogel and drag it down the entire length of the nail. So we haven't cured, we haven't missed a step. So if you're watching this and you're thinking you've missed a step, we haven't. We're not curing the Acrogel. We need the Acrogel so we can put some stones into the Acrogel. Just putting a tiny bit of that top coat in there, just so I know that they are connected together with gel. And with the brush, I'm going to come down, take off any excess top coat, and then we're going to cure that. Damn girl, love it. The next thing we're going to do is I want to put here that nice little mixture we've done of those micro beads and those tiny stones. So I'm just going to slightly buff that surface here, because what we're going to do next is use our little magic ingredient in the form of the built-in the bottle gel in Clear as Day. Now because this is a thicker gel, it's going to be perfect for what I want it for. So I'm going to paint on a layer . Now you want it thick enough for the stones and the micro beads to sit in, but you don't want them to be completely absorbed inside the gel. Does that make sense? I'm going to start by sprinkling. And we want to pat down. You want to do it so that it sort of fades as it goes down. And because the product's still wet, you can move them around. If you think, oh no, I want to make them a little bit more sparse, or if you want to even add more, you can do that.
What's that? Laughing at Fizz, happiness.
Fizz, happy faces. Excitement. Right. Put me that in the lamp. So now I'm going to go over with the Urban Graffiti top coat.
So will that essentially encapsulate it?
It'll seal it, it won't encapsulate the whole thing. Pop me that in the lamp. So on this hand with this nail, we are going to use the rose gold foil that Faye really wants. So I've got some backing paper from Sculpting Form. I'm going to use the brand new foil glue transfer gel. Let's have a look at that now it's come out.
It's beautiful.
Oh, that is so nice.
Love it.
Yeah.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, I love it. I'm just going to do some sort of wavy lines, but mainly coming through that middle section. Pop me that in the lamp. I'm going to cut a piece of foil. So, gel residue wipe off solution on a lint-free pad. I'm just going to clean the sort of duller side of the foil. So not the sparkly bit, that's the side that you're going to clean. And pop that on, give it a rub. Pull it off. And you can press and pull. That looks lovely. Love, love, love. Gonna put a few crystals on.
Oh God.
Using my technique with the aqua gel.
And that product's pretty easy to manipulate.
Yeah, it really is. So I'm gonna press some stones into that now.
Yeah, the apple ones are really nice, aren't they? Even though it's a subtle contrast, it's
enough, isn't it?
it's really nice.
And we can pop that into the lamp. So with these two, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some stones and we're going to wave this down here, and then we're going to connect it straight onto this nail. So we have it as if it passes through the nails and they connect. So just love how they work together. I'm going to use the aqua gel again. So you see where we put that, where that finishes, we're going to start the next row.
Think about the memory you want me to see. Not even that hard, just picture it.
So I've put that on quite high because I'm going to put some pointy backs into that little mountain of aqua gel. We need a little mountain. A small mountain will not be good enough for pointy back.
I thought you were going to say Fuzzy Faye.
Oh, well, definitely not for Fussy Faye. Put that one in. Papa's lemon, Doc. I'm going to put a few on that because I don't want to.
No.
Yeah.
No, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, but it doesn't need like a load of stones on this one.
Oh, God, no.
Actually, I'm going to put it on this other corner where the blue is. Because I don't want to change the direction of flow that's already on that nail. That's it, pop that on. Pop that in. Put that in. Last nail. Oh my god, I love finishing phase nails.
With a cheeky like a wink.
I love it.
You've smashed these today.
I love doing them and I love finishing them because I love seeing them finished. It's like the best bit. Putting the top coat on, seeing them all together, just like the final result. I absolutely love it. It's like my favourite part. Going to finish off with some cuticle oil. I mean, there's a lot of things that have gone into this set. You know, we've got ombre.
Really can't wait to do the infill.
We've got the micro beads scattered down. We've got stone application. We've got this swirly business going on here. And we've got this here as well. Just like so many different things. I absolutely love them. Shall we have a little still of Faye's hands by her face like this?
Absolutely not.
Blurred out.
Damn!
Wow. Look at the overhead camera. Oh my god. Faye, they are so beautiful. Oh, I love them. Great combo, girl. They are. Hope you've enjoyed this series of videos doing the fabulous Faye. She is fabulous. She's just a bit annoying at times. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Everything I've used today will be listed below. And don't forget to subscribe. I haven't asked you for a while, but please subscribe and I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Let me have a laugh now. So we're going to do it on that one and this one.
What?
This stuff.
I won't blend on all of them.
No, this stuff.
Do you tell what
Just do my head in.
I'll constantly do your head in. No.
For you and for me and the entire human race, there are people dying.
Take it, this is Michael Jacko, is it?
Like a better place for you and for me. How do you not know that's Michael Jackson?
Blue, red, blue. Lilac, blue. Lilac, blue.